How to go shopping, Melon? Let's check it out.
Hello, gardener. I am Josephine. Welcome to my backyard garden. Grow what you like to eat. Put the right plant in the right place.
We're looking for you. We've been trying to see if we could see you, but we haven't seen you to tell you. Wow. We've got it.
I don't know why all the time one on your tree.
What is it that you grow?
The melon.
Melon?
Yeah,
Oh, right.
something melon.
What it was, you know. Thank you.
No problem.
So we get things a bit back out into every day after.
Yeah.
You know, pigeons, you know, they kept going in the train after all. They're probably going to go for it, you know.
No.
But it was, it was.
No.
Have you picked another shopping melon? Pick it. Doesn't matter, you pick it first, okay?
Chị lấy được không?
I don't see any a gift to our next neighbor, and then teach them how to cook.
Why?
You enjoying yourself?
Yes. Have you tried this one? Normal we cook like the soup, chicken melon soup.
Oh, right.
Okay?
Oh,
Okay.
I was going
Not
to
much
say, it's
for
not very
later.
good for you.
Yeah.
There you
Okay,
go.
next time. No,
Normal like this big, not very big can.
Oh, have you not got
Yeah,
many
yeah,
this year then?
not many.
Don't you
Like
want
one
it?
here. No, I got many.
You sure?
Like a 4 5.
Oh, sure,
Yeah,
thank
give
you.
it a
Thank
try.
you.
Like
Hey.
or
Oh,
pork
we'll
soup.
do that
a
tomorrow.
stuffing melon soup.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Be careful.
Alright.
It'll fall.
Very well.
Hey, finish up. Gotta put it in the book.
No, I don't know. I tried already many times. Don't go this way, but it's still one. I don't know. Got one foot there.
Oh, don't worry. They took it over the back.
No. Good one. Cái này biết cái khá hôi sao? Nhưng mà cái mù xịt cổ mà nè, mình thì liệm cổ.
Growing what you like to eat is a foundation of a homesteady lifestyle of self-sufficiency. Look at this. Freshly picked shopping melon.
Shopping melon take at least 120 days to 186 days to mature after being planted. 100% natural and organic. It needs a lot of space, a lot of time, and it's full of energy. It's not an easy job, even a little bit of hard job, but you are happy and enjoy it and love every minute of it. I will show you how I cook and eat shopping melon into delicious dishes. The basic preparation is after washing and cutting, scoop up the onion and save the back seed. Clean them off. If it is a mature sharp fin melon, clean and dry thoroughly before storing it. Then, until next year and plant it in your garden is always a happy moment, and you will understand the meaning of homegrown fun. It's quite heavy. I think it's almost 6 to 8 kilograms. Quite heavy. Wow, you're so romantic, my dear. Here is a playlist link in the description box or the end screen here. If you are interested to watch more about gardening videos and how to grow shopping melon, let's check it out. Subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive a notification when I upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment here below and let me know what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. I will catch you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye, my friends. See you guys next time.